Are you risking huge fines without even knowing it? In this video, we're revealing the top 3 mistakes affiliate marketers make that could land you in hot water with the law. Don't miss this, your entire business could depend on it. First up, let's talk about transparency with your audience. As an affiliate marketer, being open and clear about your relationships with brands is non-negotiable. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has specific guidelines that require influencers and marketers to disclose when they are using affiliate links or being paid to promote a product. This isn't just a legal requirement, it's a trust-building exercise with your audience. So how do you properly disclose these relationships? It's actually quite simple. Whenever you share an affiliate link, make sure to clearly state that it's an affiliate link. You can do this by adding a note in your video description or even mentioning it verbally in your content. Use phrases like, "This link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you," to keep it straightforward. This level of transparency can significantly impact the level of trust your audience places in you. Honesty goes a long way. When you genuinely use and believe in the products or services you're promoting, let your audience know. Share your personal experience, highlight the pros and cons, and be authentic. This not only helps you comply with FTC rules, but also makes your recommendations more credible. Now, I want you to think about your own content. Are you being as transparent as you could be? How might your audience react if they discovered you weren't being fully honest about your affiliations? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive traffic to your site? I'm here with Profit Pulse, your essential guide to overcoming the challenges of affiliate marketing. From choosing profitable niches that spark your passion to mastering SEO and creating high-quality content, Profit Pulse provides actionable insights and strategies tailored for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technical skills or compliance issues. Navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing with our expert advice and start scaling your business effectively. Don't miss out on elevating your affiliate marketing game. Visit digmarketing101.com/newsletter to subscribe to Profit Pulse today and turn those affiliate marketing challenges into achievement. Let's grow your business together. Choosing ethical partnerships is crucial for long-term success in affiliate marketing. When you select partners whose business practices align with ethical standards, it not only benefits your brand, but also enhances your audience's trust. Imagine promoting a product only to find out later that the company behind it is involved in unethical activities. This could seriously damage your credibility and your relationship with your audience. So how do you vet potential partners? Start by researching their business practices. Look for information on how they source their products, whether they treat their employees well, and if they are environmentally conscious. A simple search online can reveal a lot, and don't hesitate to ask questions directly to the company if needed. Next, consider product quality. You want to promote items that you believe in and would use yourself. Take the time to test the products and read customer reviews. High-quality products lead to happy customers, which in turn reflects positively on you. Customer service is another important factor. A company that stands by its customers, handles complaints gracefully, and offers excellent support is a sign of a reliable partner. Check how they respond to issues on social media or review sites. By associating yourself with reputable and ethically sound companies, you're building a foundation of trust and reliability. This might mean passing up on short-term gains from dubious sources, but the long-term benefits are invaluable. You'll not only gain a loyal audience, but also create a sustainable and respectable brand. What steps will you take today to ensure your partnerships are ethical and align with your values? Understanding and adhering to the legal regulations that govern affiliate marketing, both locally and internationally, is crucial for maintaining a successful and reputable business. Compliance with these laws isn't just a formality, it's the backbone of legitimate and trustworthy marketing practices. Staying updated on changes in digital marketing laws, privacy policies, and anti-spam regulations is essential to avoid any legal pitfalls. One of the biggest challenges in affiliate marketing is keeping up with ever-evolving regulations. These laws are in place to protect consumers and ensure fair practices in the marketplace. For example, digital marketing laws dictate how you can collect and use customer data. Breaching these laws can lead to severe penalties, including hefty fines and potentially even the shutdown of your business. Privacy policies are another critical area. These policies outline how customer information is collected, stored, and protected. Being transparent about your privacy practices builds trust with your audience and helps you stay on the right side of the law. Non-compliance can result in legal actions and damage to your reputation. Anti-spam regulations are designed to prevent unsolicited messages. Failing to adhere to these can lead to your emails being flagged as spam, which can hurt your email deliverability rates and your relationship with your audience. Therefore, always ensure that you're sending communications to those who have opted in to receive them. And don't forget the importance of legal counsel. Consulting with a legal expert helps ensure all your marketing activities are within legal boundaries. They can offer guidance on complex regulations and keep your business compliant with both local and international laws. So, how do you currently stay updated on the legal requirements in your affiliate marketing efforts?